Okay, this is so cute. Look at it. Ah, okay, so this is who they have, and then they have the twins as a mystery. I really hope that I get Jade is cute, the cool cat, or Bunny Boo. God forbid, I hope I don't get two of the same. So let's do it. You ready, babe? Ooh. The box is so cute. I'm gonna open it on camera first, so don't react. I'm gonna close my eyes. Hopefully it didn't say anything. I'm looking at close. Okay, so this is the packaging. Alright, let me close my eyes. Oh, it's Chloe. She's alright, but she's cute. The pig.
She a pig?
Yeah, she's a pig. Not really what I wanted, but she's really cute.
Why did you make her a pig?
I forget. Let me see. I don't know, because she's an angel, Jay's a cat, Sasha's a bunny, which goes with her name. I don't know why they made her a pig, but she's cute. All right, second one. What came in the box? I didn't show. It comes with a bottle and some stickers, which I'll open up. And here's this one. Oh, I got Jade. She's so cute. Cool cat, cute. And she's got stickers too. I'm gonna open it up so y'all can see. We love stickers. Sticker, just a little informational thing. Yeah, I should have used my scissors. The little bottle, they both get bottles. Ha ha ha. And stickers. These are cute. I really am gonna rock Jay because she's black, so she'll go with different purses. I'm so excited. I will not be doing the next drop because I don't feel like I need more, honestly. Them dropping the next two and also the Valentine's Day is cute, but I think I'm satisfied. Okay, bye.